well in January last year when he said this government has declared war on trees in New South Wales and there is no sign that it's going to abate. And these laws put through the Parliament last year were a declaration of war on trees in New South Wales. Broad-scale land clearing is the greatest danger to the environment from the top to the bottom of New South Wales. This government's response is to introduce legislation to make it easier for broad-scale land clearing. If they take bulldozers down to the National Park, I promise you I'll lie in front of them with you. Yeah. Thank you very much.
We have soil erosion, we have water degradation, and we have 1,000 threatened species here in New South Wales. We need to be replanting our state, and that is what this legislation should be doing.
This cash for trees clause, it's not actually about biodiversity conservation at all. It's about facilitating development across Sydney. That is all it is about, and it is a complete farce. It means that if developers want to clear endangered ecological communities and threatened species habitat in Sydney, across Sydney, all they need to do is to pay cash. And there is no guarantee that this cash will be used to purchase bushland.
The last thing we need is to be destroying more habitat.
All of us were horrified when we opened the Herald yesterday or looked online yesterday and saw their proposal to take 60 hectares off our oldest national park to put a motorway on it. Generations of local residents have forced their councils to listen to them and protect their trees. But this government wants to downgrade that protection. We will not let this happen. They are literally going to buy our precious nature, bulldoze it and cover it in concrete and apartments.
This is our last chance to try to get saving protections in what is a deeply flawed bill.
I would urge you to put a submission in. The Nature Conservation Council has a submission guide on this proposal.
We have until the 21st of June. Make sure you put in the submission.
We will save Sydney. We'll keep our trees. We will stand up for nature and we'll do it together. Thank you very much.